So here's how we can see the hidden apps on the Apple Watch. Let me talk about it. And if you are new here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So on the Apple Watch, you naturally have some apps when you unlock it and browse through the icons. But on the paired iPhone, when you check out the Watch app as such, at the bottom, you can see as well the section for installed third-party apps, as well as those which are available to be installed but are not just yet. And this is what I would call the so-called hidden apps, because they are technically supported on the Apple Watch. You just decided to not show them on the Apple Watch. So naturally what you can do is to click on the install button, and those apps which are available for the watch but are not there just yet will appear there, and you'll be able to use them normally. But for the future scenarios, it would also make sense to check out the Watch app still and go to the general section where you have the automatic app install. And when this is enabled, it just means that whenever you download something on the iPhone, and if that app also features an Apple Watch version for that same application, then it will be installed and it will appear on the watch automatically. So, you will not have that section for these so-called hidden apps, and it will all appear on your wrist automatically. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know if that was the thing you had in mind. Subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next videos too.